Hey guys, I thought I would do a review of my thoughts on this PowerXL Air Fryer Grill Plus. They call it the 8-in-1. It air fries, it grills, it toasts, does bagels, pizza, bake, broil, and reheats. Here you see the functions: air fry grill, grill, broil, bake, pizza, toast bagel, and reheat. Here you see the model number. It's the air fryer grill. Starts with the B-AF. That's the model of this particular unit. Now, to be clear, I am not a cook by any stretch of the imagination, but I wanted to get some type of an air fryer, basically, that was like a small oven, like you see here. I've got other PowerXL items that I really like, and I really like this unit, and so I thought I'd buy it, and I wanted something that I could use as an air fryer, basically, to cook, instead of using, when I can, smaller items, instead of using my big oven. Now guys, when I bought this, I only paid $99 at Walmart, and the regular price, as I recall, was about $167, and I've even seen these at Meijer's for $189. And I happened to ask them when I was in there, hey, do you guys match prices? They said they wouldn't. So like I said, I bought this for $99. I think it was a phenomenal buy, and I'm very happy with this unit. Now the kind of stuff that I put in here is pretty much just fast food stuff, reheating, and again, just on the air fry setting, French fries, pizza, anything, chicken wings, all kinds of stuff that you could put in here that I've been using this for, and it works great. Takes very little time. The amount of time, you don't even have to preheat anything. You just turn it on. The oven, certain things you got to preheat it once it gets the temperature. This is just so quick. I love it. Also, I've only used this on the air fry, strictly the air fry, and because that's my intended purpose. I've not used anything else on it. I'm sure it works fine. I may someday try it, but this is what I've used so far. When you buy this, you'll get several items, descriptive instructions. This is one of them. Now, we can't forget the attorneys, can we? Important notice about your rights. Read carefully. You get a quick start guide. Your owner's manual. And you get some recipes that you can try. So let's take a look inside. You've got your top heating elements, the front and the rear. Your bottom heating elements, front and rear. And where your fan is at. Now you'll get this drip tray that goes in the bottom. You'll get a pizza rack, which has various levels. I suppose you could put it at the very bottom if you wanted. You get a baking pan, which you would have to use in conjunction with the pizza rack, as it will not fit in between any of the places that you put your other accessories at. And you get a crisper tray. And you can put that at various levels. And the one that I've used exclusively, I've not even tried the other ones yet, is the grill plate. And I will use that, and again, I've used this grill plate strictly with the air fry setting. And for what I'm doing, I've been very happy with it. Let's look at your temperature ranges in degrees Fahrenheit. You've got 0, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, and 450. Now you can select anywhere you want. Next, you have your timer in minutes, and it's on off. Then you've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120. And you've got to turn it past 20, then to the desired time. So, and I've got it plugged in, but we'll do this. So right now it's on off. So you've got to go past the 20. You can hear the fan come on. Now if I want to set it to 10, I'll just bring it back to there. Set it anywhere I want. And then to shut it off, and it'll go off by itself once it reaches the timer times out. A lot of times what I've been doing is I've got a countdown timer, and I'll set it for what I want. I'll turn this just way up, so if I want something for 15 minutes, I'll set my timer. When it goes off, then I just simply come over here wherever it's at and shut it off. Here you see that that tray can easily hold 3 of the Stouffer's French bread pizzas. And now these are frozen. Stick those in there. And I have this set for air fry, 400 degrees. It's off right now. Now the package says to on an oven to preheat it to 375 and bake it for 32 minutes. So you got to preheat to 375, then cook for 32 minutes. I set this to 400. Then what I'll do is I'll just turn it on past 40 minutes like this. You'll see it's coming on. I've got a stopwatch that I have counting up, and what I'll do is I'll basically just wait and see. It takes about 13 minutes, and these will be done. 3 of these frozen, and they're saying in the directions for 2 of these, 375, 32 minutes. So this thing is so nice. I love it that it's quick. You want something quick after work, you want a snack, this PowerXL does it. Well, you can see the heating element under there between the drip pan on the bottom and the pan that the pizza bread is in. So here you go, guys. We're just coming up on 14 minutes, 45 seconds. They're nice golden brown. What I do then, I've already got my count up timer, so I'm just going to shut this off like this. We'll pull this out, and you can see those are ready to eat. And There's no preheating, okay? Don't have to preheat my oven. Don't have to use the extra energy of a huge, my big oven. And in less than half the time, you've got something ready to go. So if you're in a hurry, less energy, half the time. I love it. Here you see 5 brats, and it took 18 minutes. Well, at 18 minutes I checked, they were about 174 degrees internal temperature. And this was done on air fry at 400 degrees. And checking these guys, I just took them out, but I'm actually seeing them into the 180s, depending where you check them at. So that's not bad. Here I've got 15 turkey breast nuggets cooking. They're on air fry at 400 degrees.